Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'll be doing an unboxing on LG 32 liters all-in-one oven. It was quite difficult to buy this because of the current situation. Most of the online stores they did not have it. I tried calling few shops like Chroma, LG, Vasant and Co. Most of them said either it was out of stock or they couldn't deliver it. Luckily, one of the LG showrooms they had it ready stock and I asked them to deliver. They delivered it in 3 hours. Anyway, before we unbox it, let's see some of the features of this oven. By the way, this is just an unboxing video and not a review video. I'll do a review video separately. The good thing about this oven is if someone is new to cooking, they can blindly follow the recipe book. As you can see, this is a 32-liter variant and the model number is MJEN326UH. Let's see some of the features that are present in this oven. Uh, it has a charcoal lighting heater. This LG is the only company which has this feature. So what they say is the food is cooked evenly and the food remains crispy outside and juicy inside. So that's a specialty and you'll feel the taste in the food. Also, it has a motorized rotisserie feature using which you can cook barbecues. It has 401 built-in menus. If we follow the recipe book strictly, we'll get a nice output. The overall the stuffs that we can cook are naan, stuffed parathas, sauce, different kind of rice, chutney, heart healthy dishes, salads, soups, sweets, continental dishes, and for baking stuff. This oven is mainly for, this oven is mainly Indianized, so you'll see a lot of Indian menus included in the recipe book. Now let's go into the unboxing. So as we open the box, we have the removable glass tray that we place it at the bottom of the oven. And then we have the roller with the rotating ring on which we place the wow, and that's the oven. It looks pretty nice with very good finish. Let's see what's inside that. That's my wife. So looks like there are some accessories inside the oven. So let's see the accessories that came with this oven. So here we have the high rack and the low rack. So these are for placing different types of food. And we have the multi-cook tawa. Uh, and apart from this, we have the rotisserie handles. And we have got a recipe manual which has 401 recipes. So they have given the various cook functions and different steps from start to finish. Uh, s- so the different categories are the charcoal or Indian cuisine, healthy heart, Indian roti basket, diet fry, kids delight. So you need to keep this book in handy because uh, in the oven we can see only these numbers 1 1 1 2. Only using these numbers you can identify if it is 1 1 it's smoked tandoori. You can also download this booklet from the internet, and the corresponding recipes are there in the respective pages. For example, we have to follow the correct procedure to get the right output. The other book that we have is the recipe specific for India, international, and some desserts. Even this is good. They have given it in English and Hindi. We have soups, we have snacks, we have Thai curry, we have Indian meals, we have international meals. Let me try it and give you another video. And there's another booklet which describes how to use the oven. Okay, guys, thank you.